Today we'll be throwing some paint on this rocker, but we'll be focusing mainly on a practical way to blend the paint on the ends so that it's very difficult to notice. After mixing the paint according to the instructions, we'll color the area with 2 coats of base up to here. We'll hit it with a couple of coats of clear up to like here. And finally, we'll melt in the edges with some overly reduced clear coat up to here. And just before spraying, anything that I'm wearing, my mask, mix ratios, etc. will be listed in the description. Now for a couple of coats of clear. The first one will be light and the second one should look real nice. After we spray this last coat of clear, we'll overly reduce the clear that's left in the cup and blend or melt in the edges. And now, just lightly touching the trigger, I'm going to try to make that dull part match the shiny. And that's it for that part. And now for the front of the rocker. After putting it back together, this is the finished panel. I hope you enjoyed this video on painting and blending repairs in door jambs and similar areas. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.